Meaning of key card.
Key card.
Key card.
Key card.
Key card. The term key card generally refers to a plastic card that is encoded with information and used to grant access to a particular area or facility. Key cards are often used in hotels, offices, and other businesses as a way to control access to certain areas or resources. The card may be swiped through a reader or inserted into a slot, and the information on the card is then used to verify the user's identity and grant access. In some cases, key cards may also be used as a form of identification or as a way to store funds for use within a particular system.